Hey, to make YouTube channel, all you have to do is just to go for the official youtube.com website and then click in the right upper corner on this sign in button. Now from here, you will have to actually sign in with your Google account. So let me do this. Now click next. And from here, just enter your password. Now just wait for the loading screen. Here we are, and we'll have to click on the right upper corner. And as you can see from here, we'll have to actually go into this option, create a channel. So tap on this button, and now from here, you can set the name of your channel and the handle. From here, we can upload the picture if we want. If this name will be not available, you will actually get this red mark, like in my case. Take a look. So we have to change it. And in my case, I'm gonna input 3 times 8. Additionally, you can add the picture for your account and click to create the channel. Now just wait for this process. And as you can see, your channel was created. So now to customize your channel, you can actually click right here to customize it. And now you will be moved into the YouTube Creation Studio. You can also access this function by clicking on your account in the right upper corner and selecting YouTube Studio. There we go. As you can see, it looks the same. So that's how the channel dashboard looks. And if you want to upload some videos, all you have to do is just to click on this icon or simply drag videos from your desktop. And from here, you can also find more settings of your account. So we can pick the currency, set the channel country. You can add some keywords. You can also set some advanced settings. From here, you can also change the upload defaults. So add the tags that will actually pops for every video that you are going to upload. That's some other options like automatic chapters, the comment section, some permissions. So you can also invite other people to manage your account, your channel. And from here, you can add the community. So we can also manage moderators. You can hide some users, and that's some other agreements. So yeah, that's the channel. That's how we can create it. And if you want to earn, you have to become a partner. So when you click on this earn on the left side, you can actually find how you can join. So we have to get at least 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 public watch hours, or for example, the 10 million of the public short views. And after this, you can also select this option to email me when you reach these requirements. And also you will have to complete the basics like turn on the 2-step verification and also pass the channel review. So yeah, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.